Welcome back to Learn English with Honna. Let's review. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Honna. Today we will learn the English alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the alphabet? This is the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Let's listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. Now, listen and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Great job! Let's say them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's continue. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good. Let's say them again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Almost finished. Repeat after me. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Let's say them again. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! Now, let's sing. Listen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, you sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, S T U V W X Y and Z. Great job! One more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Amazing! Let's play a game. Listen. B. Great job. E. Very good. G. Amazing. N. Awesome. X. Wow. Now it's your turn. Say the letters. Great! Your turn. Say the letters. Amazing! Your turn. Say the letters. Awesome job! Can you sing the alphabet without me? Ready? Go! Did you do it? Excellent job! Now, let's practice writing. Pause the video and write the letters A to G. Great job! Today, we learned the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Let's say it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! You did it! You learned the English alphabet. Practice the alphabet song every day. In Lesson 5, we will learn to recognize English letters. See you in Lesson 5. Bye-bye.